I was trade recap. I got absolutely raped today on break even, as you can see right here. Entered right here. This was my TP. Would have got out right here if we could have just hit that. I mean, a few ticks off, nothing you can do about that. Ended up getting break even. Anyways, coming into the day for the bias, I think everybody was bullish today. I mean, it was pretty simple bias. We didn't even have too much draws and liquidity. We had this 4-hour high, which I targeted in my trade. We inversed this 4-hour bearish gap, and then we respected this 4-hour bullish gap right here. And during the time of the trade, technically we did not inverse this 4-hour gap yet, but we were running through it. When I took the trade, there was like 15 or 10 minutes left in the candle. It was around there. And also we inversed it on the 1 hour, so that should lead to higher conviction that you are going to inverse it onto the 4-hour. And the actual trade was just off of just off of 15-minute. We had this 15-minute bearish gap, which we inverse, and obviously I'm not gonna enter off of a 15-minute inverse because I'm not a fucking swing trader. So you go to the lower time frames. I went to the 1 minute. I saw this nice inverse here. Then we came down and we hit this 1 minute bullish gap. So I mean, that was pretty perfect. If I could have, entered all the way down here, but I ended up just entering a bit later. It was a bit of a discretionary trade. Like, I missed the actual entry, but I just thought, it was like such a good trade. I should just take it. And the RR wasn't bad too. Still got a 1-1.7. Anyways, I just went break even at the high of this leg, and overall, it's a great trade. I'd take it 10 out of 10 times. I got break even. Obviously, that fucking sucks, but at the end of the day, there's nothing you can do about it. I missed out on 1-2 ticks, so it's like, what can you do about it? And this is when psychology comes into play, because you see a trade like this, and maybe tomorrow I'm in the exact same long, and we're about to hit my TP, and then I want to close early because I don't want the same thing to happen to me again. And then that's when you're not hitting your full TP. That's when you're not getting your right risk to reward, because you're closing early because of these exact case scenarios. So just stay in the trade. Just stick to your plan. That's all you gotta do, bro. It's out of your control at some points. Also, break even, it's not a bad trade. Like, break even isn't bad. Lots of people think break even's bad, but break even and no trade days they're not even that bad. But that's a trade recap. Really short trade recap. Well, the only reason I would have closed this trade early is if we would have had a SMT with ES on the highs I was targeting, which were right here, but we did not have an SMT with ES. So there's no reason for me to close early. But yeah, that's the trade I took. Pretty fucking tragic. Couldn't get any money. Obviously, after we hit a break even, we also ripped a TP, so that also kind of sucks. But you're